Yeah. Nancy joined, Breathe 3 host joined, Cold Fire joined, Mokhtar joined, Angel Mam Gaba joined. Thank you for joining my live session. Vivek, Lydia, Imzi, Qasim, Motsi, C. Anna, thank you for the roses. I really appreciate that. Chili, Millie joined, Arc Super, Anna, Ospina, thank you, dear. Just got the number one gifter batch. Anna sent it one rose again. Thank you, dear. Scrappy, I love math. Same here, dear. I love numbers. Nora Bander, Windows 98 joined. Noob C joined. AJ joined. Leslie and the joined. Best Key, Alwa joined. Anus joined. Ali Omar joined. More likes can attract viewers. Keep it up. Asim, thank you for joining. Vicky, welcome, dear. Thank you for joining. Irene, Susie, Vicky, Foxcroft 72. Thank you for liking the live. Amjad joined. Maghribi joined. Biofield joined. Yusra joined. Marv joined. JJ joined. Big Vic joined. Khalid Shahidi joined. Abbas Abdul Rahi joined. Ammar Kalam Fazil joined. Big Vic joined. Thank you all for joining my live session. Really appreciate that. Arya joined. Okay, people, I have a question for you. What number is considered no, what is the only even prime number? What is the only even prime number? M&M says grade 7 math also. What's your question, dear? That's not a complete sentence. Grade 7 math also. Paint Mate or Mate followed the host. Thank you, dear, for following. Waqas Wazir, thank you for joining. Wu Rath joined. Thank you. Paint Mate or Mate, thank you. On one Ilmesi joined. Thug Life, Aggressive, Sable, all of you, thank you for joining. Means Kids, M&M says Means Kids grade 7 also can join your class. Dear, I don't do any classes. I only sell online courses. And you can go to my website guinnessandmathguy.com, and yes, grade 7 math is also there. All the math topics from grade 3 to grade 10 are there. Okay, So we have Nandito, Yasir, Aslam, user 2427. All of these are in the live. Sharma joined, Sharna or Sharma M. Mahani joined, Ahmed joined. The Shok joined, Step Holmes on Smith 160 joined. I love maybe joined. Constantina joined. What Guinness records you have? I have 5 Guinness World Records, and there is a Guinness World Records category. Its name is fastest time to identify all the elements of the periodic table. I have 3 Guinness World Records for that. Then I have Guinness World Record in texting, the texting you do on your mobile phones. I'm the fastest texter in this world using swipe technology. And one is texting in Spanish. Then I have more than 15 students who I trained, and they are now Guinness World Record holders. So AOAOAO111110 asked this question, and I asked the question, what is the only even prime number? No one answered yet. Yay! M&M gave the answer, and this is cheer for M&M. Thank you for answering, dear. Now we have the next question. That is, what is the only number that has the same number of letters as its meaning? Like 1 has 3 letters, O-N-E, 1, but the value of 1 is only 1, not 3. So its value is same as the number of letters. Okay. Candy Baby says, from where are you? I'm from Pakistan, dear, but I live and work in Dubai, UAE. And where are you from, Candy? Welcome to my live session. ST says 4. Yay, ST. Let's, not 1. M&M, 1 is the wrong answer. 4 is the right answer, because the value of 4 is also 4, and the letters of 4, F-O-U-R, are also 4, and 4 is the only number that has this that property. So for ST we are doing this. Jennifer 85 joined. Thank you, Jennifer, for joining my live session. Okay, so Candy says Philippines. Thank you. Welcome from Philippines. Really appreciate that. Salamat po. ST says Yippee. Thank you. You are welcome, dear. You are welcome. Let's do the next question. What are the 2 things you can never eat for breakfast? That's a brain teaser. What are the 2 things that you can never eat for breakfast? That was easy, right? M&M says dinner and lunch. That's right. So let's cheer for M&M. And Aggressive joined, Mia Moore joined, Faisal joined, Sony Ahmed joined. Klee 10 joined. Okay, let's do the next question. What is always coming but never arrives? What is always coming but never arrives? Honeybee says, hi boss, hi dear Honeybee. Thank you for joining my live session. Where are you from? Welcome. ST says, my girlfriend. What is always coming but never arrives? That's not the right answer, dear. Honeybee says, Ethiopia. Welcome from Ethiopia. Nice of you to join my live session. M&M says tomorrow. That's correct. Are you asking from ChatGPT or Google? M&M? Really? So let's cheer for M&M again. So M&M says no. Okay, so we believe you. And this I asked, I think, 2 days back also. If you paint 100 houses, numbering from 1 to 100, how many times will you paint the digit 6? If you paint 100 houses, house number 1 you paint 1, then second house you paint 2, third house you paint 3, and so on till 100. So how many times will you paint the digit 6? M&M says me and my mom is giving answers. Oh, good. You have that kind of a relationship with your mom. You're sitting together in live session and giving answers. That's very good. So nice. So M&M says C. There are no options A, B, C. ST says 11 times no, dear. 11 is not the correct answer. And I cannot give you hint also. Clerical error. Oh, M&M says. Candy Babe says 17. 17 is close but not the correct answer. M&M says 18. I said close. That's why you are saying 18. 18 is also not the correct answer. You have to tell me also why is it. If you tell me the answer and that's correct, I will tell you it's a correct answer, but you have to give the explanation also. ST says 10. No, dear, not 10. It's way more than 10. ST says, damn. Okay, I'll give you a hint. Hint is, in 66 there are 2 6s, right? M&M not 19. I gave you guys the hint also. We have 60, we have 61, we have 62. All these numbers have 6 in it. ST says no, because you got early ally the 60s. 21 is not the correct answer, ST. Okay, let me tell you. Let's count on fingers. Like that. 6, right? 16, there is one digit 6, right? Then 26 has 6, 36 has 6, 46 has 6. 56 has 6. Now 60 has 6. 61 has 6. 62 has 6. 63. Then 64, 65, 66 has two sixes, so 66, 67, 68, 69, then 76, 86 and 96. That's it. So total 20 times you have to paint the digit 6. 20. Tala joined, MNN joined. Okay, let's ask you the next question. You have to, I told my mom. Now you are blaming your mom, huh? I told my mom it's 20. But is she the one who is typing? Its keyboard is not in your control, right? Or the texting on mobile. Okay, repeat with me. All of you, repeat with me. Repeat, sorry, with me, not we. The actual English will be repeat after me. Repeat after me. Silk, silk, silk. 3 times. Then again, silk, silk, silk. Then again, silk, silk, silk. Now, tell me, what does a cow drink? Fast. What did you answer? Give the answer in comment after that. Don't change your answer. Yay. Let's cheer for M&M. Sir Richie says milk. A lot of people will say milk. But milk is not the correct answer because milk, all the milk, we don't leave any milk for cow. Cow drinks water. Because of silk, 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 our mind tells us to say milk. You got me. So let's cheer for M&M again. Sarichi joined. Okay. Sarichi, yes, it's our mind that M&M says thank you. You are welcome, dear. Next question. What's that? Repeat after me. Red, yellow, blue 3 times. Red, yellow, blue. Red, yellow, blue. And now answer fast. What's the color of grass? And give me that answer in the comments. Don't change it. एक तो मशीन है क्या है? 3 दफा यानी एक दफा रेड येलो ब्लू तो व्हाट इज द कलर ऑफ ग्रास? वो तो सारे एक्सेंट ग्रीन ही दे क्या मसला है? That's right. What is the color of grass? And Sarichi says green. And I didn't understand this. What you call it? Question also. Okay. So next. Thank you, Sarichi, for giving the correct answer. But let's do next. I have 6 eggs. I cracked 2 eggs. I cooked 2 eggs. And I ate 2 eggs. How many eggs left? It is easy. Not that difficult, but still. Sometimes we do it right and sometimes we are confused. So let's do it. Thank you, people who are liking, tapping the screen. Thank you, really appreciate that. 16 likes and total. How many eggs left? And you are saying 4. That's correct answer, M&M. So what's the next number in the following series? You can write it down on piece of paper or you can remember just 5, 3, 9, 7, 21, 19. Again, 5, 3, 9, 7, 21, 19. What is the next number in this series? Who will tell me? Andrew, thank you for liking my live session. Really appreciate that. M&M says, repeat the question. The question is 5. What is the following? What is the next number in the following series? 5, 3, 9, 7, 21, 19. 5. The next number is 3. The next number is 9. The next number is 7. The next number is 21. The next number is 19. Exactly. What is the next number? After 19, what is the next number? M&M? 5, 3, 9, 7, 21, 19. What is the next number in the following series? What is the next number in the following series? First number is 5, second number is 3, then third number is 9, fourth number is 7, fifth number is 21, sixth number is 19. What is the seventh number? No one? Really? Yay! Who gave this answer? I don't know the username. It's in Chinese or some other language that I cannot understand or read. But still, let's cheer. It is 57. The next number is 57. Then next after that is 55 and so on. The answer is correct. Let's cheer for them. Thank you, dear, for joining my live session, and thank you for the correct answer. Okay. So, next question is, what does I in iPhone stand for? What does I in iPhone stand for? Who will tell me? SV joined, RG82085 joined, Mr. Shati joined, Mustafa joined, Vincent Eds Can Rock joined, user 57072 joined, Nasreen joined, user 528 joined, Gishing Brew joined, Billy Boy joined, Bibi Al Salabo joined, Loop joined, Musa joined, Mustafa Zain joined, Felicia Ramo joined, Yogi joined, Yogi Pro Nusa, Lara Gesto joined. Mustafa joined. What does I in the iPhone stand for? Sariti, it's the correct answer. It is internet. Then on second number, the person who gave the correct answer for the series gave the right answer also. It is internet. Let's cheer for both of you. Shatilag followed the live creator. Thank you, dear. The people who are following really appreciate that. Ya Hadi, Ya Dalil. Oh, it was in Arabic, long username. Thank you for joining. 10-12 बंदे बैठे तो 195 लाइक्स आए नो बोले तो बस करो. Okay, next question for you people. You can read my name as Potongma. Oh, Potongma. Potongma, thank you for joining my live session. And where are you from, Potongma? Really appreciate that. This Baba. Let's copy and oh, you can read my name as Potong. Acha, thank you, Bhutan. You are from Bhutan, okay. Welcome from Bhutan, Potong Ma. Really appreciate that. Okay, so let's do next question. Candy says, where is Bhutan? You know Nepal? It's near Nepal. Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Nepal, the upper part of on the side of India is these countries. And next question is, what is 20% of, you are welcome, Candy, 20% of 20% of 20? Who will tell me this question? Answer to this question. What is 20% of 20% of 20? Who will tell me what is 20% of 20% of 20? Nope, 20 is not the correct answer. Potongma, you have to write it on paper if you cannot do it mentally. And 20 is not the correct answer. Even 2 is not the correct answer. Henry Slattery followed the host. Thank you, Henry, for following. Candy Babe says 4, no dear. 4 is not the correct answer. Sir Richie says it's 0.8. That's correct. The correct answer. Yay! Sir Richie, you are a genius. Let's cheer for Sir. Sir Richie gave the right answer. Candy says ha ha ha. Okay. So next question is, what is 420% of 2000? Candy says my math is so poor. No worries, dear. 20% of 20% of 20 you can find by 20% means divide by 100. So 20 over 100 times 20 over 100 times 20. So there are 2 hundreds in the denominators that have 4 zeros, and in the numerator we have 20 times 20 times 20, and we have 3 zeros, 1 zero in each 20. So we can cancel 3 zeros of the numerators with the 3 of 4 zeros of the denominators. So we are left with 2 times 2 times 2 in the numerators, and in the denominator we have only 10. So 2 times 2 times 2 is 8, 2 times 2 is 4, 4 times 2 is 8, and in the denominator we have 10, so 8 over 10 is 0.8. Dr. Kamran says, uncle, your age. Dr. Kamran, my age is 51. And M&M says, explain how. Let's explain on the. Let me explain on the board. Let me explain on the board. Wow. So Candy says, how to be good at math. It's turn the concepts from some good teacher or tutor, and after that it's all practice. So let's. Let's connect this from here. Yep. We have here 23. Okay, so we are ready for the, not for the lesson, but we have option as dual here. So let me. Now can you see my screen, all of you? So 20% of means multiply. 20% of 20% of 20. That's the question. What is 20% of 20% of 20? So we can cancel these 3 zeros, this, and this, with these 3 zeros, right? And then on the numerator we have 2 times 2 times 2, that is 8, and in the denominator we have this 10. So 8 over 10 is 0.8. Let's do this 8 again. Not good. Okay, fine. So I hope you all can see and hear what I'm saying. So Dr. Kamran followed the host. Thank you, Dr. Kamran. Really appreciate that. And let's finish the duel. Thank you, Dr. Kamran. Really appreciate that. Candy says, yeah, I regret cutting classes before. No worries. Tuan shared the live video. Tuan Neguin, thank you, dear. Candy says, yes. Afghan 231 says, can you teach me log? I have my exam tomorrow. Dear, I cannot teach you log right now. So you have to revise your whatever your teacher has given you, the questions, and practice. Isaac followed the host. Thank you, Isaac. Ahmed says, I have maths paper 1 on calc. Any tips? Dear, just look at the questions that the teacher has done in the classroom with you on board. And if you have that, or if any of your class fellows have that, get that and just practice that. Last day I can only give this advice if you have only 1 or 2 days left. Sheikh Hassan says, I love you. Thank you, dear. Really appreciate that. Love you too. Isaac says, hi teacher. Hi dear. Thank you for joining and liking my live session. Thank you for following also. Let's put it here. Okay, next question is, what is for 20% of 2000? Who will tell me? What is for 20% of 2000? Can you tell me your teaching schedule? Isaac, I don't teach. I have just online sessions, online courses. They are pre-recorded video lessons with practice sheets. I don't teach one-on-one or as a group also. I don't teach. Afghan 231 says 8400. That's the correct answer. Yay! Oh, this is the yay, Afghan. Let's cheer for Afghan. We can clap also, I think. Yeah, we can clap. So Ajak says, what are you into now? We sell online courses, that's it. What can I tell you more? They are basic math courses, like for grade 3 to grade 10, all the topics. Nothing for calculus. I don't know calculus. It's higher math and I don't do higher math. Nico joined. Thank you, Nico, for joining. Really appreciate that. Okay, next. What is the next number in the following series? 4, 7, 4, 12, 9, 27, 24. We have first number as 7, second number as 4, third number as 12, fourth number as 9, fifth number as 27, and sixth number as 24. So what's the 7th number? What's the next number in this series? Afghan 231 says, again question please. The question is, what is the next number in the following series? And we have 7, then 4, then 12, then 9, then 27, then 24. So what's the next number after 24? All the people who are liking, giving likes, thank you dear. Really appreciate that. M&M says, Afghan says 29, no dear, 29 is not the correct answer. M&M says 35, 35 is not the correct answer, sorry. Isaac says, I think you are Muslim. Yes dear, I am Muslim. Afghan says 27, no, not 27. Nope. Afghan says question again, sorry, no worries. So the numbers in the series are 7, then 4, then 12, then 9, then 27, then 24. These are the numbers in the series, and you have to tell the next number. No dear, it's not 32, Afghan. Try again and again, never give up. Not 22. It's not 22. Let me something to. What does that mean, something to? 7, 4, 12, 9, 7. 4. You are picking the pattern. The units digit. Yes, units digit is 2, by the way. Afghan. Good thinking. Good insight. M&M 50 is not the correct answer. So if I tell you it has something to do with 3, the factor is 3. Sometimes we are subtracting or adding 3, sometimes we are multiplying or dividing 3. So you got the hint. Still, if you cannot figure it out, then I will tell you. Afghan, it's not 42. तुक्केबाजी का मुकाबला हो रहा है क्या? It's not like you will start saying 12, 22, 32, 42, 52, 62, 72, 82, 92. Not like that. Of course, there will be some answer. I will say yes, but Yay! Afghan 231 says, I'm blank, I don't know. Sir Richie says 72, and that's the correct answer. Grace Rana joined. Grace, thank you for joining. Really appreciate that. And Sir Richie says 72, it is the correct answer. M&M says 72, it is the correct answer, M&M. And let's clap for both Sir Richie and M&M. And let's cheer for one and clap for the. Let's clap for both. First we subtract 3. So from 7 it becomes 4. Then times 3. It becomes 12. 4 times 3 is 12. Then we subtract 3. It becomes 9. 12 minus 3 is 9. Then we times 3. 9 times 3 is 27. Then we subtract 3. From 27 it becomes 24. And then we times it by 3. So 24 times 3 is 72. It's not easy to do 24 times 3 mentally in the beginning if you don't know mental math. So 24, we have 20 and 4. 20 times 3 is 60 and 4 times 3 is 12. 60 and 12, 60 plus 12 is 72. Okay, you Band says hello, assalamu alaikum. You Bands, thank you again for joining my live session. Almost you Bands comes in my live session almost every time I go live. Thank you, dear. And Candy says if they use AI, they cheating on themselves. I asked this. One of the person said no, we are not using. So we have to respect their. If they are saying they are not cheating, then we can say okay, not cheating. We believe them. I'm Umar Nadeem Bhatt. क्या हाल है सर? ठीक है. Hope everything is fine on your side. M&M says I'm not cheating. My mom is watching me. I thought you are going to write my mom is. I'm not cheating. My mom is. But you wrote watching me. Okay. Next question. How many kilometers equal 1 mile? Or I should ask, how many miles equal 1 kilometer? Then it will be an interesting question. Right now it's very easy. If we do, if we say how many kilometers, not kilometers, how many miles equal 1 kilometer? That's the question. How many miles equal 1 kilometer? If we say how many kilometers equal 1 mile, that is very easy. Spoozy says tips for pre-calculus, just practice, dear. You have to give it time, that's it. If in the beginning the concepts are not clear, or if you are very weak in basics, go to basics. Don't waste time pushing yourself in trying to understand the higher concepts. Sometimes we have gaps in our learning in school days, so we have to fill those gaps. It will take time, so we have to spend time if we want to go long way in mathematics. So there is nothing that can substitute practice. उन्हें आखे बहुत सारे चीज़ें बच्चों पे सारे जितने ओ शफीक तो महीने तो पूरे घर तक गिनते हैं ना तो वहीं संग वो आखे जो जितना ही दफा गिनते हैं ना वो यक अल्लाह थे वाला खराब तो नहीं थी वैसे नहीं हर शे वो समझना भी ना हर शे वाला तो ठीक है पूरा हाँ क्या बात है सर Okay, how many? Oh, we have 27 people, 25 here. All of you, thank you for joining my live session. Really appreciate that. So let's do next question. No one gave me answer to this question. How many miles equal 1 kilometer? That's the interesting question. How many miles equal 1 kilometer? Who will tell me? Oh, people who are tapping their mobile screens. Thank you, dear. Well, boy. Frank means like the lives. Thank you, dear. Ahmed, it's the other way around. Ahmed Naji says 1.6. Yes, if I ask how many kilometers equal 1 mile, then your answer is correct. 1 mile is equal to 1.6 kilometers. But that's not the question. Question is how many miles? How many miles does 1 kilometer? How many miles equal 1 kilometer? So actually it's 1 kilometer is equal to how many miles? That's you have to tell. 1 mile is equal to 1.6 kilometers. That's correct. But 1 kilometer is equal to how many miles? That you have to tell me. Sideways joined. Thank you, Sideways, for joining. Really appreciate that. यार मेरे को नासिर ए दस मेरे को ए दस ए जे रहे ए डेरी मच्छी ए को रखूं चा अगर ते कल बन वैसी
नहीं मच्छी पकी हुई है ना
पकी हुई रखूं चा तो कल इस्तेमाल थी ना वैसी
मेरे ख्याल है ये तली हुई है तो सिर्फ दूसरा ही खाना है
ओ
मेरे ख्याल है
मेरा असल आज रू क्या नहीं इंदा मैं तो तले वन तो ओ शाहजलाल तो है को खाऊं चा बस चावल हल्का एक खाऊं चा दो बंदे डालते थे बस
उन्हीं मसला फ्रिज लाती होना से
ते तले वन ते ओ चाखा माखा करो चाहते बस काफी आज तो इन्हें दिल के नहीं ये we got the right answer. We got the right answer and I will tell you who gave the answer also. His name is, his or her, I didn't ask. Name is Po Tong Ma. Po Tong Ma says 0. No dear, it's not 0. 1 divided by 1.6 you have to do. It's 0.625 here, not 0.621. But still you got it right. So let's cheer for Potong Ma. Huh. Thank you, dear. So, next question. This, of course, you know, what's longer, mile or kilometer? That's the question now. It's a trivia question. The question starts here. The question is, it comes once in a year and twice in a week. What is it? It comes once in a year and twice in a week. What is it? It comes once in a year and twice in a week. What is it? That's the question. It's a brain teaser. Thank you all for joining my live session. Really appreciate that. 21 people are here. Oh, Moses, man of God, says the letter E. Exactly, that's the correct answer. Let's cheer for Moses. Fort Noble is a thank you, Fort Noble, for joining the live session. Really appreciate that. Fort Noble says, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Fort Noble, how are you, dear? Moses, man of God, says the letter E. Dear, yes, we got your answer and it's correct. We cheered for you also. Year and week. That's correct. So, you are welcome, dear. You are welcome. Oh, Fort Noble, we need translation also. Let me translate it from Google. Oh, praise to be God. Praise be to God. You are doing well. Thank you, dear. Thank you. Moses, you are welcome. Any more questions? Yeah, of course. We have a lot of questions. Now, the question is, next trivia question is, before Mount Everest was discovered, you know the mountain Mount Everest was discovered, what was the highest mountain in the world? Tell me. So, tell me the answer. Before Mount Everest was discovered, what was the highest mountain in the world? Port Tong Ma says, sorry. Okay, I will ask the next question. Next question is, what 5-letter word becomes shorter when you add 2 letters to it? Yeah, you are right, Potongma. Somebody give us the right answer. So next question is, what 5-letter word becomes shorter when you add 2 letters to it? 1 घंटा तो ठीक है लाइव बस करो इधर तो आदमी बोला वंजन दी शाहजलाल खड़ो करने की जरूरत क्या नहीं इतना माल है इतना माल है बोला टाइम जो मिलता नहीं मिलता पकावट शिकावट का
लेकिन ये वाला एक इतना याद करो थोड़े ज्यादा कहने के लिए कुकिंग ना शुरू करो मेरे साथ तो ये आके कुकिंग करे ना रस्म पूरी खा के अंदर सब तो को या मेरे को तो नहीं मसला है
ना सब क्या मसला
डेली दी कुकिंग के बजाय सिर्फ एक दिन छोड़ दे करने वो मैं कर सकता हूं उनका कोई मसला नहीं
तो है से सिर्फ दो बंदे बस
हां वो सालन है कि खादा नाश्ता की ताकलेटी खावणे खादा या बड़ा के दा मिक्स कर दे खा के दो अब में होंदे हो अब तुम्हारे खावणे त्रै बंदे खा के दे
Aksir Ahmad followed those. Thank you, Aksir. Okay, dear all, it's been 1 hour now, and I was planning to do live session shorter today. So the answer to this question is the word short. If you add er, it becomes shorter. Okay. All of you stay blessed, stay safe. See you tomorrow. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Thank you for liking the live session, dear. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.